Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Today I will be talking about covering facial redness and how I achieved that with the Rosalique 3-in-1 primer. I also have the Rosalique brush here and I'm going to be showing you how I apply Rosalique underneath my foundation to cover my facial redness. This little tube here is $29.99 and the brush is $24.99 on the Rosalique website. The magic about the Rosalique 3-in-1 formula is that it goes on green but dries on a more skin color based tone. But it's still too dark for me. I have very, very pasty skin and it's dark for me. So the way that I use Rosalique is to neutralize the red tones with green, because green and red are opposite each other on the color wheel, so they neutralize. So green neutralizes red. So I apply this under my foundation routine as just a light base. Rosalique 3-in-1 also has a SPF of 50 and you can buy this little brush. It's not necessary to buy the brush. However, brushes that come with products or that can be bought with products, they're made specifically for that formula. So, you know, take that as you will. I will link down below in the description where you can find Rosalique. The Rosalique team are fantastic if you have any questions. They sometimes sell samples on their website, but those samples they sell it really quickly. This is a very in-demand product. I am just scrolling through my PC, looking at the previous comments from my Rosalique 3-in-1 anti-redness video. I did a review on Rosalique about 2 years ago. And I'm just gonna answer a couple of questions that have come up on the YouTube video. Brett asked, can I ask, as I am quite pale, did it blend okay? I am very pale. This is quite a dark formula on my skin. It blends really well, but it doesn't match my skin tone. Strawberry One says, following your review, I'm going to get it. My worst redness is a ring of red around my lower neck. I have autoimmune thyroid disease and that area always looks inflamed. I've been happy to live with it, but lately I've been getting tired of well-meaning concerned comments about my rash this summer when it is more visible. Totally understand, Strawberry. I get that too. I'll mix it with my fair foundation if it's too dark. Thank you very much. Honestly, this is such a versatile product that I can't really see that being a problem. It might take some time to find that balance between how much Rosalique product you put in with your fairer foundation to kind of lighten it. I personally haven't tried that yet. Seems like a good tip. But I, again, will be showing you how I use this as a primer and then put my foundation over the top. Alegna said, I've tried this 6 months ago and love it. I've repurchased and got stock now. I never want to be without. I don't like foundation. I hate my red face rosacea. It feels amazing and soothing on my skin and looks amazing and natural. Love, love, love. Honestly, when I tell you that it is so surprising that a product that has such rave reviews on social media and comment sections, and then to actually get the opportunity to try it and be like, oh gosh, this actually works. It's really insane, because obviously you believe the hype on social media. You buy a product quite often and then you go, oh, that's just marketing. No, like genuinely, this stuff works. Okay, so first things first, I have a mirror down here that I'm gonna be using. So if you see me looking below the camera, I'm focusing what I'm doing. I am gonna be using the brush from Rosalique, the 3-in-1 primer. I also have the Rare Beauty concealer for my under eyes, the Rare Beauty foundation, and the Rare Beauty powder compact, and then the contour and everything in between. I've already done my eyebrows and my eye makeup, don't worry, not part of the tutorial. And the only thing I currently have on my skin is I have my daytime moisturizer, because I've just done my skincare routine and then gone into my makeup. Go potato mode and move my hair off my face. All right, I'm gonna be using the Rosalique primer. I will show you how green this is. Look at how green that is. It's not gonna stay that green. This is probably a little bit too much product. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna dip the brush right here into the primer. It looks quite scary because of how green it is, but I promise it doesn't make you look sick. And all I'm gonna do is I'm going to target the areas on my face where I have facial redness, so all the way across here. And we're just gonna dab. We're just gonna blend it out in like a bouncy dab motion, okay? Really gentle, nothing intense on the skin. Just gentle. And the nice thing about Rosalique is that it feels quite a cooling sensation. See how that's already getting to work on neutralizing that redness? Just blending out into the face. Look at that. So the side that I have the product on and the side that I don't, you can really see the difference, hey? And that was such a little bit on the brush. And we're gonna do the same on the other cheek. Again, I'm just bouncing the product around on the brush. Okay, so that has done a fantastic job of covering that redness. My next step is to use this powder puff. The Rare Beauty powder puff comes with powder in it, and you can use any setting powder. And I'm just gonna dab that over where I've applied the Rosalique. Ordinarily, I would apply my concealer just under my under eyes and conceal any dark circles, but for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm just gonna put on my foundation on top so you can see the coverage and there's no confusion as to whether or not it is the concealer or not. Just gonna apply a few dots of this to my face. And I'm just gonna blend this out with this tapered foundation brush. Now, I can't tell truthfully that I had Rosalique, a green primer that went a little bit darker than my skin tone, is underneath my foundation. It did a really beautiful job of neutralizing that redness, so the redness isn't necessarily coming through the foundation. And guess what I'm gonna do again? I'm gonna take my powder puff from this compact, and I'm gonna dab again in the areas across my cheeks, on my chin, and my nose, where I get quite oily. And there we have it. That is literally all it takes for me to use Rosalique as a primer. I will come back in just a second once I have done the rest of my makeup. And there you have it. That is my simple steps to using Rosalique as a primer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any comments or questions about Rosalique, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.